So tell me what you want, what you really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. I wanna really wanna jigga. If you wanna be okay. What's up, fam? It's your girl Life with CaityB back with another video. Okay, I'm sure you guys are wondering why I look like this. I'm sure you guys are like, is she having a midlife crisis at 18? You're probably right, I probably am. But you know, I was like, let me dress up one more time because this whole week I've been looking ratchet. And I was like, let me just wear some makeup for another video. Doesn't look that great, but it's good enough for me, and my snaps are coming down. So I got my mom to write down, you know, some words in English, some words in Samoan for me to translate, because you know I can't be seeing everything I write because I'm gonna know the answer to it. But mind you guys, I am quite the plastic. Yeah. So my mom's been wanting me to do this video all this time for like since Samoan language week basically, but I was just like, oh yeah, and I'm just like, I should have done it ages ago. But you know what, happy Samoan language week a month, maybe 2 months later. But you know what guys, please don't judge me, please don't judge me. Help a sister out, you know, it's never too late to learn. So as you may know, if you guys know my family has, so now my uncle's wife is Tongan, so you know it's sort of been hard to like learn Samoan a lot, like speak Samoan a lot. I know it's not an excuse, but you know, excuses. I was good at Samoan and then Samoan, and then yeah, just flew out the window, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me get into it. Let me just stop talking for a second. You know what, those of you who are plastic, non-Samoans, whatever, learn with me, alright? Learn with me, come on, man. Let's get into it. So I think this one I'm gonna be translating into Samoan. The first one says hello. Hello is, I know this one, I think, is talofa. Hello is talofa. Round of applause for me. Olo o Ingoa or Caitlin. Man, that sounds so plastic. Come on, I'm embarrassing myself right now. Come on. Okay. So my mom did the simple words because she knows me. She knows how plastic I am. Come on, guys. So this one I'm gonna be translating into Samoan. This is a easy little pie, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna flat through it like an exam. Alright. Numbers 1 to 10. Tasi loa tolu fa iwa. Iwa ono fitu valu iwa sefulu. Okay. Car. Kaavale or taavale. I know. Kaavale. So good. House. Fale. Food. Mea ai. Repeat it one time. Mea ai. Alright. People. Tangata. Oh, I'm guessing this. I'm so good, guys. Tangata. Work. Ngaluenga? Oh wait. T-shirt. Awful? I don't know, you know what I'm saying, but I don't know. I'm just gonna say awful. I know I'm sure it's not awful because that's like all clothes in general. But you know what, if you know it, comment down below, please guys, help a sister out. Michael Jackson. Billie Jean is not my lover. Okay, TV. You know, most verb languages, you sort of like just verbify the word. Like TV, TV. Or like keys, gi. Or tea, gi. Would you say gi? I'm Samoan. Wao Samoa. Plate. Ipu. Ipu ai. Ipu ai. Cupboard. Kapoki. I know this one. I see you. Australia. How do you say Australia? Australia. Australia. Scissors.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
Selaulu. Selaulu. Selaulu, guys. Perfume. Oh, I know this one. I know this one. Fangusau. Oh my gosh, by the way, guys, this is my favorite perfume. My mom doesn't like the smell of it. She says it smells like toilet spray or something, but you know what? Maybe I like toilet spray. Chair. 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 Ngofo. Window. This is the one I struggle with the most. Window. But malama. Oh, she runs for the try. Oh, she fends off all these big people. And she scores a try. Horse. Sofungua. Just scratch that. You know, this is too hard for me. Come on, it's a horse, you know. Wednesday. I know today is Asosa, so today is Sunday. Tomorrow, Monday, is Asungufua, I think. Tuesday is Asolua, Wednesday is Okay, I'm gonna say my days like I'm confident. Asungufua, Asolua, Ascoffy. I think it is. In Asolulu. I think. Oh no, I think Ascoffy is Sere. I'm good with Ascoffy, okay, guys. Pillow. Bilo. Mele. Come on, Mele. Come on, Mele. Bilo. Bilo. No, it doesn't sound right. Oh, Mele. It's like on the tip of my head, but maybe I'm lying, maybe it is below. But I feel like it's on the tip of my head. Do you know how when you picture someone saying it and then it just disappears when you really want to know what it is? But so now I'm gonna be translating some English sentences into Samoan. Are you hungry? It's a fear I'm a natural, bro. Damn. Where are you going? Fe Tialuai. Fe Kialuai. Fe Kialuyai. Man! How old are you? Lealo. Oh. Lealo go sanga. Go. O lealo go sanga. Do you work? It's a final luenga. Snap. Now rock, 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 rock. You can do it all by yourself. Lazy girl, what's your name? Say Bukken upa. Bukki le upa. Kango e bukki le upa. Upa. Sorry, man. You going to church? You going to church? E kero le loku. Man, I sound like those fluent old ladies. E kero le loku. I'm gonna be translating Samoan sentences into English. Sau tau. Sau tau. Sau kao. Come, let's go. Come on, guys, let's go. It's a fear gani. It's a fear tani. Tani. Gani. Do you wanna cry? Cause I can make you. No, I can't. I can't even hurt a fly. Come on, yo. If you're low to tongi. If you're low to tongi. Y'all wanna guess this one? I'm listening. Well, that was some good answers, guys. Good on you. How much are you paying? If you're low to tongi, how much are you paying? Or how much is your pay? I'm gonna give myself a round of applause, a pat on the back. With my pom-poms looking crazy out here. Dang. How well do you guys think I did? How well did I do, guys? I feel like I did so well. Like, I just want to congratulate myself, and I just want to thank you guys for this Emmy award. I just want to thank all my producers out there, my family, my friends, my subscribers, my supporters, you know, my viewers, my commenters, my likers and dislikes. I appreciate all of you for the support, and this is a big shout out to you guys, and I really hope you guys like this one. But yeah, don't at me, I'm too cool, guys. Come on. I just passed like 5 exams at 100%. You know what it is. I hope you guys like this video. Come on, don't forget to comment below, leave some suggestions or videos you guys want me to do. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. I'll be over here. It's looking a bit dry right now, but don't forget to follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, Facebook. Not just yet, but I love you guys so much, and I hit 100 subs, y'all. I hit 100 subs on when? Let me check, because one of my good friends kept tabs while I was sleeping and snoring away, or ka'anguluing away, in other words. He kept tabs and told me that I had 100 subs on the night. Tuesday, October the 23rd, I hit 100 subs. I'm now at 109. Oh well, the last time I checked it was 109. And I just want to thank you guys all for the support. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I'd get to 100 subs this quick. Like, I thought I was just gonna have like 10 subscribers by now, and you know, that's good enough for me. But I want to thank you guys so much for the support. But continue to share the word with your grandpas and grandmas, you know, doing nothing at home. They just want to see something boring, and that's me. Comment what you think of my Samoan, my translations, you know what I'm saying. And I just love and appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. So shout out to all my subscribers. I love you guys so much, and yeah. What do you think? Okay, I look retro right now, but you know what? Bashka Lima.
She got me feeling like a king, mesmerized by the little things. She's the definition of a poly queen.